Hi! So today I'm going to be demoing a Lush product. It's actually a face mask called 1000 Milihelens. This is one of my favorites because it's good for oily, acne-prone skin and it's naturally antibacterial. That makes it great for an after the gym post-workout, want to calm down, hang out on the couch mask. Now, I had so much trouble figuring out how to use this mask because it's actually in jelly form. Everyone says just take a scoop out, rub it in your hands, rub it on your face, voila, magic easy. Guess what? They forget to tell you the most important step, which is your hands and your face need to be dry. Otherwise, this jelly is not going to spread. It's going to ball up into clumps and they're going to fall all over the floor and your bathroom is going to be a mess. So today I'm going to show you how to properly use this mask. First step, cleanse. Now, once you're sure you have all the product off your face, the most important step is going to be tapping your damp skin dry. I know it is really tempting to leave it a little damp, but it really needs to be dry for this product to work. Alright, my face is dry, hands are dry, so now we're going to pinch off a piece of our jelly mask. Really don't need much, and I'm sorry that mine is not as pretty as some other ones out there on YouTube where I think they were using a ruler to get perfect little pinches. I have been struggling with this product, so mine's a little chunky, I would say. Now you're going to massage it into your hands and just kind of work out the jelly until it turns into a paste. If you find that it's balling up and falling off your hand is too wet. And just scoop it back into its pot, dry your hand off, try again. I have found that trying to smooth it onto my face from jelly state does not work. I've tried a lot of things, and this has been the only one that works for me. So now you'll see that that chunk has dissolved into more of a paste form. There's still a few chunks. So now, reapply. And for as much product as I used, it's going to be a pretty thin mask. Now of course you can use more product and get a thicker mask, but as we all know, I'm cheap. And this is already a product that I don't feel goes very far. Ugh, I can smell one of my Lush Jelly Bombs sitting over in the corner for another video. Don't you just love how your bathroom smells? When you've had the door closed for a while, and you walk in and all your Lush products are just sitting there, waiting to greet you. But again, this is an amazing mask. It has witch hazel in it, it has apple in it, has a lot of really good astringent properties, and I find that it is wonderful for right after the gym. Get any nasty bacteria right off of your face. And once you have it as smooth as you're going to get it on there, go hang out for 10 minutes. Alright, and after 10 minutes, you're ready to rinse. Okay, and again, tap dry. So, final thoughts. This is not a mask that's going to change your life. It's not one where you put it on, wash it off, and feel a huge difference. I definitely feel my pores opening a little, but mostly this is going to be used for the antibacterial purposes and for helping clear up any existing acne and preventing any future acne. So it's not a life changer, but I definitely think it's wonderful. It's nice and gentle. You can use it in the morning and then wash it off, moisturize, and put your makeup on. I definitely think worth the money, especially because you can choose how much product you're going to use each time and the thickness of the mask. Now, if you're a person who wants a super thick, life-changing mask, probably not the one for you. But if you're just looking for something to kind of refresh, revitalize, and restore your skin after the gym, after a long, hard day, or even after sleeping with your makeup on, whoops, whoever does that, then definitely reach for 1000 Milihelens. I really do enjoy it. It smells wonderful, and it does leave your skin squeaky, squeaky clean. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.